discussing the tonal structure of major scales. In other words, what gives them that very distinct sound? When you're playing a major scale, let's first write down the note names of the C major scale: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And not, well, the gaps between each of these notes is called an interval. So C to D, the interval is equal to 2 semitones, or 1 tone, because 2 semitones are equal to 1 tone. How this works is that we have a note in between called C sharp. It's also called D flat. So C to C sharp is 1 semitone. C sharp to D is 1 semitone. Add them up and you've got 2 semitones. I've used the abbreviation ST for semitone. So you've got 2 semitones there. In other words, this is 2 semitones, we said, equals to 1 tone. So between C and D, we know that is a tone. D to E, we have a D sharp or a E flat in between. D to D sharp is a semitone, D sharp to E is a semitone, therefore that is a tone. E to F is already a semitone, 2 white notes on the piano next to each other. There isn't a sharp in between, so that's a semitone. F to G is a tone because we have a F sharp or a G flat in between. G to A is a tone because we have a G sharp or a flat in between. A to B is a tone. We have a A sharp or a B flat in between. B to C is a semitone, which are 2 white notes on the piano played next to each other. They're adjacent to each other. There isn't a sharp sign in between. So let's mark our semitones with a slur. And notice that the semitones occur. Let's number the scale elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The semitones lie between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8 in all major scales. So we now arrive at the tonal structure of the scale. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. At this stage, I'm going to tell you that this tonal structure of tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone applies to all major scales.